Welcome, guys. In this video, we are going to be doing introduction to VS Code and understand what coding actually means. What coding actually means. What is VS Code? VS Code is a lightweight but powerful program you use to write, edit, and run code for many programming languages. And the languages that we use JavaScript, Python, React Native, HTML, CSS, and others. So understanding what coding actually means. When we say coding means giving instruction to a computer using a specific language. What are the language we used? We use Java, JavaScript, Python, and others like that. Using their own syntax. Syntax means rules of writing command. It's a way of writing code. You know, each programming have their own languages. So each language also have the way you write them. That's what we call syntax. Its own use case, what is best for. You know every application outside there now, they have, before you can say okay you want to build an app, you must have maybe a certain language you prefer for your app. Sometimes you may say okay you, um you want to use a framework of maybe native, React Native, Flutter, Wave, and others like that. So example, you have HTML, CSS, JavaScript for web development. We use a React Native or Flutter is good for building mobile apps. Then Python is good when it comes to AI, automation, and data analysis and others like that. Key feature of coding, we have a code. Key feature of a VS Code, I will show you how the VS Code look like. So key feature of this VS Code, number one, we have code editing. Number two, we have extension. Number three, we have IntelliSense. Then number four, we have debugger. Number five, terminal. We have themes, cross-platform, and others like that. So know your tools. These are the main tools you will see as developer. These are the tools that you need when building app. First thing is like having your VS Code, set it up, do the right thing that you want to do on the VS Code. You have to get GIT or GIT and others like that. Set your VS Code up. Then inside the VS Code, you have terminal or command line. This one you will know later. You will know later. We'll show you. We have a Node.js and npm. We have web browser to test or preview your website or web app. Then we have Expo or Android Studio. This is Android Studio. This thing that you see is Android Studio. Then we have Expo. Expo is like a simulator, but it works on Android. That's Expo. Then why developer love it? Because this VS Code, why many people love it, why developers love it, is favorite of many developers because number one is free and open source, works great for web, mobile, and backend, has tons of extension for React Native, Flutter, Node.js, Python, etc. And it's very fast, lightweight, and easy to learn. Example usage: if you are building a React Native like Quran app, flashlight app, you can just open, you are going to type this thing out so that you can see. Open the VS Code, your VS Code, just open, edit like app.js, index.js, and others like that. Then run the project in your terminal using like nps expo. If you run, if you are using expo SDK version, it's like a simulator. If you don't want to use Android Studio to do the, to use desktop simulator, you can use what's the name? You can use this Expo is very fast, so that if you make any changes, it will you will see it. It will be very fast. You see your changes, you see error and tests that you make immediately. That's why we like Expo. Me too, I like Expo very well. Learn basic coding concepts. when it comes to programming, before jumping into framework like React Native, you should understand variables, which is used to store data, loop, which is used to repeat action. Like now maybe I want to do multiplication table. Instead of me to be doing it one by one, I can just use loop so that it will do multiplication table from 1 to 100, 1 to 1000 till infinity. You can use conditions, if else or false, to make decision. Functions with a reusable block of code. Objects or arrays to organize data. Imports and exports, that is to share code between files. Learn basic git hub. So these are the simple things that you can use for these are the command that you can use when learning basic git and git hub. Stage, set up your tools. You install it, VS Code, Node.js. These are the things you need before you start programming on your desktop or PC. So after, not that you are just going to download the VS Code and start coding. No. After downloading VS Code, you need other things before you start developing or you start programming on your VS Code. So you have to install VS Code, Node.js, Expo Go on your phone. What to know? You use VS Code to write. You use terminal command like nps create expo my app, that is name of your app, cd and others. These are the things that we are going to use when building the app. Like if you want to start from the beginning, like you want to start from scratch, these are the things we are going to use using the terminal command. These are what the command means. nps expo flashlight, it means a tools that comes with Node.js, create expo app, my app and others like that. I will show you the practical. What happens when you run it? It downloads a ready used project template for expo. That is, it will give you, instead of you to be stressing yourself, it will reduce your stress. So this is how the project will look like when they give you the template. Then you adjust, increase or decrease what you don't want. Then when it finishes, you will see a messages like your project is ready, cd my app, sp and expo. Then you are going to check all what you have been building on your expo go with this nps expo start. So now let me show you the practical on how the VS Code look like. Just go to VS Code. So this is VS Code. You don't assuming like I want to continue on the project that I've been working on. I'll just click on this unit reskin, or I'll come here under this file. I go to open recent, click here so you can see this is how the project that I've been doing. This is how if I click on more here now, if I click on more, you see these are all the projects I've been doing. So let's go to let's start from the beginning. Oh wait, let me show you one of the projects that I've done before. Let's use this. So these are the project I've been working on. Let me show you. This is for authentication for the apps. So you can come to settings. You see, these are one of the privacy, because the app I implement integrate privacy policy and terms and use inside the application. This is notes application. Let me show you the images. Go to image. Can you see? This is the icon, adaptive icon for the this is the favicon, this is the main icon. So this how the thing look like is a simple thing, so you don't need to stress yourself. So then I will show you how to start new projects from beginning. So let's go back to what this thing say. Let's go back. So if you come here, it say terminal command to start new project. Terminal command to start new project. It say that, so you come here, you click on this SPL, uh, click on Control C, then you come to the VS Code. You close this one, come down, you close folder so that it won't affect the work you have been doing before. Then come to cancel this, then come here. Then you look for terminal, go to view, you see terminal. You see terminal here. If you don't want to do that, we also have a shortcut of how to do it. You can do control and alpha. It will show you this terminal command. Let me show you. I can do it without going to view. Can you see? Then you do control V. Then which type of app do you want to build? Which type of app do you want to build? Let's say what's the name of the app? Let's say touch. Then you enter. So that's how. So just paste the command here. This is the command nps create expo app touch. As you can see, it has start running. So this running is, you see, it will help us to create a default template that you can start working on immediately. So that's how it works. It's installing the command for us. So this is the simple way of how the setup and how the VS Code works. Thank you for watching. So we are going to continue on the next video.